Welcome to another Kevin's English Schools English Learning video. Today we will learn about mastering everyday English, correcting common phrase mistakes for English learners. English is a dynamic and ever-evolving language, rich with phrases and expressions that add color and nuance to everyday communication. For English learners, mastering these phrases is a key to achieving fluency and sounding natural in conversation. However, even the most proficient learners may fall into common traps of misusing certain phrases. In this article, we'll explore some of these common mistakes and provide guidance on how to correct them, drawing from the expertise of master everyday English phrases. One of the first steps in refining your English speaking skills is to identify common mistakes in phrase usage. Let's take a closer look at some phrases that are often misused. I could care less versus I couldn't care less, for all intensive purposes versus for all intents and purposes. Irregardless versus regardless, make do versus make do. To correct these mistakes, it's essential to understand the intended meanings of the phrases. For example, saying I could care less suggests that you have some level of care, whereas I couldn't care less communicates complete indifference. Similarly, for all intensive purposes is a common error, while for all intents and purposes accurately conveys the intended meaning of considering all practical purposes or effects. Learning in context is crucial for language acquisition. Imagine you're in a cafe discussing plans for the weekend with friends. Using the correct phrases in these real-life scenarios not only enhances your language skills, but also helps you navigate social interactions with confidence. Once you've identified common mistakes and understood the correct versions, the next step is to practice using them in everyday conversations. Whether it's through role-playing exercises, writing prompts, or casual conversations with native speakers, consistent practice is key to internalizing these corrections and integrating them into your speaking repertoire. Mastering everyday English phrases is a journey that requires dedication, practice, and a keen eye for common mistakes. By leveraging resources like Master Everyday English Phrases and incorporating real-life scenarios for context, English learners of all levels can polish their speaking skills and communicate with clarity and confidence. So, the next time you catch yourself saying a phrase incorrectly, remember to pause, reflect, and strive for accuracy in your language use. Say it right, and watch your English fluency soar.